All right, y'all, I'm back with another unboxing from the very awesome Laurie Whitaker. Laurie Whitaker makes custom crochet hooks, and I actually had a hater to come on here from Threads. It was, yeah, Threads. Threads or Insta, one of those. I think it was Threads. I don't pay these people any attention. They came over here and wanted to run their mouth about crochet hook unboxings. Baby, you're mad because nobody likes you enough to send you anything. And I get paid for these videos. That's why you're mad. So anyway, suck on that. This crochet hook, I don't know what it is, but I'm very excited to find out what it is because Laurie, everything that she makes is awesome. How do you order these hooks? Look down in the description box and in the pinned comments. I'm going to have a link for you. That goes to her Facebook group. Once you're in the Facebook group, she'll post whatever designs that she has available for sale. And then you tell her like what brand of hook, the size of hook, you know, whatever you want. And then she'll invoice you. You pay it, she makes it, and then she ships it out. Okay. And everything that she ships out, if you've seen my previous videos, you know, is packaged very well and very well made. Look down in the description box and comments again. I will have links to my previous videos. But anyway, I have this blocked out because where I get my mail or packages delivered is not where I live. And if y'all bother the nice lady that lets me use her address, so help me. Anyway, and she always puts in all these extra, ooh, I hit my chimes. She always puts in all these awesome little extras. So this is a magnet. Be brave enough to be bad at something new. Yes. Okay, what is this? A sticker? Shh, I'm counting. Always cool stickers. And this little card that says you're awesome. And then here's her business card. Oh, and it has a little note here from you. Hold on. I'm going to read this note. Okay, hold on. You know what? This is the nicest thing. This is the nicest thing. And this is what I'm all about. Okay, I'm trying to get attention to the smaller businesses and indie authors, you know, and like the indie musicians and all that. I try to use my platform to drive traffic to other people because there's room out here for all of us to succeed. Okay, there really is. And I really appreciate that. I really, really do. I really do. But look at all these cool colors. Cool color. Oh, another pen. Listen. This clip art here is free clip art that I offered on my Facebook page. Check me out on Facebook and you can get some free clip art too. So we have that. Oh, we have lip balm. Y'all know I'm so big on lip balm. I use lip balm all day. Sweet as can be. Oh, look at this pen. Look at this pen. Look at this pen. Okay, how awesome is this? It's in a syringe. Ah! With a vial. Oh my gosh, how cool is this? This is the absolute coolest thing. Can y'all see that? Look at that. It is so cool. I love that. Ghost face. We've got some ghost face. Oh gosh, I got stuff all over my hand. I just got so excited to see ghost face. So we're going to lay the hook over here, okay? I'm going to lay the hook. Oh, she made me a ghost face pen. She made me a ghost face pen. Look at this. How cool is that? Isn't that awesome? Look, with a little fuzzy. Ah, I can't wait to see the hook. Y'all, I can't wait to see the hook. And I was just thinking the other day, God, I would love to have another ghost face hook from her. I'm praying that's what this is. Oh, and look at this little keychain. Oh, a little thank you tag. Oh, is this not the cute? Look at him. Look at him. Oh, isn't he adorable? Look at the little guy. He's so cute. Well, people probably complain like, why don't you just hurry up and get to the video instead of all this crap you put at the beginning? Because I have to give you instruction to tell you what to do so you know where to go get the stuff. Oh, look, a coffin with bats. It's a stitch marker. Oh, so cool. I love all these. Oh, planchette. We have a planchette stitch marker. Oh my goodness. If y'all will stick around for a little bit, I'm going to show you my box of Laurie Whitaker goodies, okay? Because all of the wonderful stuff that she sends, I like to hold on to. And then when I'm feeling sad, I can just like dig through my little box and look at stuff. And she sends candy too, which is always appreciated because y'all know I do love candy. I got glue under my finger. My fingernail, not under my finger. And there's candy. I love candy corn. Candy corn is like my favorite thing. All right, so here's a hook. Here's a hook. Here's a hook. Here's a hook. Ah! Laurie, look at it. Look at it. And this is a size 4.5 because she knows me. That's like the only size that I use. Look at it. Ah, look at my custom ghost face. How great is this? No, you hang up. Look at this. How cool. How cool. Look. You see, this is my ghost face paintbrush holder thingy here. Y'all know I'm such a ghost face freak. But how awesome is that? How awesome. So, Laurie, oh my goodness. I love you dearly, woman. I really do. So we got that hook. We got this pin. We got this awesome little ghosty guy. And this other pin. Like the syringe, like in the vial. This is just so freaking cool. Oh, and the ghost face pin. And we have the sweetest can be lip balm. And then this little ghost face doohickey. That stitch marker. The planchette stitch marker. And then we have some candy. But anyway, let's take a look at my other box of my Laurie goodies. I'm so proud of this. Oh my gosh. I really am. Y'all look. She makes the greatest things. I have like a whole box full of her stuff. Okay, so y'all know I love horror movies. You know, everything having to do with horror. Ghostface is the man. But she has all different kinds of styles. Okay, so don't let just my Halloween spooky stuff make you think, okay, well, that's all that she has. No, she has all kinds of wonderful things. But this is another ghost face hook that had come from her. So you have that. And then we have Michael Myers, because, you know, I love Michael Myers, too. You just can't keep a good psycho down. You cannot. You can't keep a good psycho down, friend. This is one of my absolute favorites, too. This is Ozzy. Has his dates, 1948 to 2025. And then there's the size. It says Ozzy with the music notes. And she even got his tattoo on his hand. Is this not awesome? And then here is another commemorative hook that she made for me. A glitter handle with the bats, and it says Ozzy. All right, let's get the pins out of here. And this is my other character, Michael Myers. How cool is that? This is a bigger hook, okay? This is a J. It's the Krampus. It says Seasons Beatings. Merry Krampus. He knows if you've been naughty. Yes, he does. And then we have this other one, the horror icon, Christmas. So we got Michael Myers, we got Jason, Ghostface, we got Freddy, Pennywise. So there's that one. Let me see. Okay. Oh, my other hook, I'm actually using it. It's in there. So anyway, but let's look at some of these cool pins. See, this is a Michael Myers pin. This one says True Crime Junkie. There's another Ghostface pin. There's my other ghost face pin. A bunch of other cool pins. This syringe pin. Okay, and this one came with the Ozzy hook. It says rock till the end with the little bat. And then we have like this skeleton hand hair clip. And then we have so many cool stitch markers. So let's get out some of these stitch markers. I've got a Ouija board. Ouija. I call it Ouija. No, shut up. Leave me alone. The planchette. And then we have this coffin with the bats. We got this blood bag here, a record, bleeding hearts. I think I have several of these bleeding hearts. These are like some of my favorites. Oh, and then we have this star. Oh, it says Merry Krampus. They have this other blood bag here. This was like a phone charm keychain type deal that she sent me. And a little ghosty that sits on a shelf. There's also a ghost face shelf sitter over here somewhere. Anyway, we've got like this little reaper. A guillotine, all these stitch markers. They're so cool. And of course we got Ghostface. Gosh, there's stuff all over me. I've been refinishing some furniture today too. So there's a spider. Then we have an 8-ball. Bleeding heart again. I love the bleeding heart ones, I really do. We got a guitar, fire extinguisher. And then this one is bat. Oh shoot. I need to get the paper out of here. This one is a heart with bats in it. I don't think the stain is going to come off anytime soon, y'all. We got a microphone. We got this little caution sign that says, not in the mood. We got a Jason mask keychain. We've got some handcuffs because she knows me. We got a pen. And we got some more candy. But yeah, this is, hold on, I want to go get my other hook. Hold on. Okay, here's the other hook. Okay, look at this. Isn't that pretty? Now, she had like a bunch of different colors of these. But she knows I like purple. But isn't this nice? Pretty, pretty, pretty. But yeah, it's like you just get, it's like opening up a little gift. You know, it's not exactly like, oh, you're going to buy something and then you're just going to get the item, you know, like from Amazon. You just throw it in an envelope. No, she takes her time and she packages it Oops. And she packages it really well. And yeah, it just puts all kinds of goodies in here. So, like I said, look down in the description box and in the pinned comments. I want to have some links for you. So jump over there, check out what she has, and please, please place an order, because I'm going to tell you she gets busy around Christmas time, as well as she should. So get your orders in, okay? Get over there and see what you want and get your orders in. I hope you like this. Please, if you would, give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. Links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.